Want to know how to vacuum and charge refrigerant on a mini split unit without messing it up or wasting time? Alright, so first off, when you're about to vacuum the system, make sure you hook up your vacuum pump and micron gauge tight. No loose connections, because leaks here will ruin your whole test. Start the vacuum and watch the micron level drop. Ideally, it should hit below 500 microns within 30 minutes or so. If you see a slow rise in that micron level during the standing vacuum test, it usually means minor outgassing or maybe a small leak. Don't freak out immediately. What you want to do is keep monitoring the trend over an extra 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes, it just needs more time to fully pull the moisture out. But if the micron level keeps creeping up steadily, that's a red flag to check all your fittings, valves, and maybe run a leak detector. Once you're confident the vacuum holds steady, start charging your mini split with refrigerant slowly. Don't just dump it in. Use the manufacturer's specs to know exactly how much refrigerant your unit needs and keep an eye on pressure gauges so you don't overcharge or undercharge. One of the biggest mistakes people make when vacuuming and charging mini split units is rushing through the vacuum process. That slow rise in microns isn't always a leak, but ignoring it can cause moisture problems later. Another common issue is not checking for leaks thoroughly. Even tiny leaks can mess with performance and efficiency, so always double check with a leak detector if the vacuum doesn't hold. Lastly, overcharging the system is super common and can cause your mini split to run inefficiently or even damage components, so always follow the exact refrigerant charge specs and add refrigerant gradually. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff with mini splits and HVAC work. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you get connected with clients who need your skills, making it easier to grow your business.